It's me and Leila from the video. Today, as you can see, I've been takis with me. And today we're going to be seeing, oh yeah, I have a water bottle just in case. It's really, really hot. Okay, so today we're going to see how much takis we can eat without drinking water. You guys can help how many waters I drink. So, get on with the video. Okay guys, so we're ready. Wait. Okay, we're ready. Sorry for that, what's it called? Mistake. So, as you can see, I kind of ate a little bit of them, but it's fine. Okay. Sorry, my... Okay. We got the water bottle. It's full. Well, almost. Because I just got it. Oh. My tongue's red. They're really good. Okay. And sometimes it can get a little hot. Okay. Let's get one. Got one. Delicious. Okay. Second.
Wait, no, never mind. We can't do that. We can't do that because if it's
Second. I'm so scared to eat it. Oh look, it's a baby one. Good. Third one.
Every single bot I knocked down, I'm gonna grab them. Kidnap them.
What?
She kidnapped some bots. Do I kidnap some bots?
Okay. What else? I already have 4 without drinking water. My nose is starting to burn them all. I have a lot to go. I can't take it. I need water. But that's 1 water. Okay. We're up 1 down. We got 4 points left. We have 4 tries left. I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 fingers on. Okay. I'm gonna kind of am I in? Okay. Yeah. I don't know what noise I'm making. And the 5th one. Ow! Well, that hurt.
Move out of the way, man. You get them. Look at it's the female version. I suck. Yeah. Please tell me the boss, because if I got knocked down on purpose,
Okay. I'll be right back. I'm gonna be right back.
So how's that game?
Too high. Come back. My throat's hurting. Okay, I guess I'm gonna end it here.